Hi everyone! I have got a new bag from Kate Spade and I thought I would show it to you. So as with all Kate Spade purses, when you buy it in store, it comes in a beautiful box. This one is two-tone with a light blue on top and this nice green color inside. It also comes wrapped in paper and it even has this little Kate Spade sticker. And it usually looks nicer than this, but I've already opened this. And then inside there is a bag within a bag. And as you can see on the bag they give you to protect your purse, it has a fun quote, as a lot of Kate Spade things do, and it says, "She tucked her coral lipstick away and floated back to the party." Okay, so then once you get things out of the box, you can open the purse, and inside, it's a little cat! How cute is this? So, this is the purse. So this style of Kate Spade purse is called the Lottie, and this is called the Cat's Meow Cat Lottie in black. So I really like it because you can hold it just by these straps. And what's really fun about it, I thought, is that like it's clearly a cat because it has like these cute little ears and has such a cute little like button nose and then the whiskers. But it's kind of like a stylized cat, like it doesn't have googly eyes or anything, it's just very like sleek. So I'll give you a little bit of a tour of the bag. So it has three main sections. It's got the center zip, which I'll show you in a second, but then it also has these two side pockets. And what I really thought was nice about these is this is a place where I can put things that I have to access on a regular basis. If you're like me, you're probably constantly reaching for your phone, so I always appreciate having a dedicated side pocket where it's just easy to grab my phone in and out. And so it does have two of these side pockets, one on each side, so lots of room for little things. So then it does have a zippered main pocket. Oh, and as you can see, it does have this extra strap that it comes with. So if you want to wear it as a shoulder strap bag, if you want to use it, then you can just hook it on to the sides here, and then you can wear it as a shoulder bag. So that's pretty nice. I love having that option. So then inside, you can see there's a pretty big main pocket. What I liked about this bag too, compared to some of the other Kate Spade cat bags, is that this is nice and wide. I'll often have like sunglasses and a few things of makeup, maybe a compact, you know, again, like winter you have gloves and hats, and I think this really gives you a lot of space to play with. So then on top of that, you have a side zippered pocket here. So, you know, I'll often use this either for things that I don't need often or that I want to zip up. You know, if I'm traveling, I'll often put my passport in this type of pocket, and then you just have it's zipped up, so it's an extra layer of security. It has a little Kate Spade, metal spade there for decoration. So these two side pockets inside are both big enough for an iPhone. I have an iPhone 10, and it fits. I feel like you can hold quite a lot in this purse because it is pretty big. But it's not like a giant purse, and I think the shape of it looks, you know, very nice. It's curved at the top, and it's going to be just a really nice purse to take around with me. And then, as you've maybe heard as I've been filming this, on the bottom they have 4 little feet, and so I expect that that is so that when you put it down, it keeps it off the floor a little bit, so to prevent the bottom of it from getting dirty. But I've also been told that this type of material is very durable. And so where, like, you know, a leather bag, a straight leather bag, you don't want to get it wet and it can get dirty very easily. This is a little bit more robust. I don't know that it's waterproof, but I think it's a little bit more rain resistant. And if it gets dirty, I think you can just wipe it with a cloth and, you know, get the dirt off. So I'm really excited about this bag. I just think it is so cute with this little cat face. the little ears and the black. It's very fun. It's really nice to have a fun-loving bag, and it's a bit of a statement piece. So I'm very, very lucky that I got this as a gift, and I can't wait to use this on a daily basis, or maybe it'll be like my fun weekend bag. But I think it's just going to be so lovely to take out and about, and I am really excited to have a bit of extra storage space in this compared to, you know, smaller crossbody bags that I'll often have. So I can't wait to start using this. If you folks have this bag or if you have any questions about it, feel free to shoot me a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!